Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop with a quick tip with regards to your mirror checks. Now, do you know which mirrors you should be checking when you're turning left and right? Now, when we are driving along and we are turning left, we should be checking the center interior mirror and the left door mirror. So we're checking any cars behind us and how safe that following distance is that they are behind us, and also checking that there's nobody coming up the left-hand side of us like any cyclists before we turn. This may affect our judgment and what we decide to do. And the same goes for when we're turning right. However, we check the center interior mirror and the right door mirror, checking what's behind us for following distance again, but also checking if there's anything overtaking us at that point. Using effective mirror checks will keep you the safest you can possibly be on the road. If you found this video useful, please give it a like or comment in the comments section below. You can join our theory course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel where you will find more videos the same.